Hey guys, in this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Paytm payment gateway in your WooCommerce website. This is just a glimpse of what will be the final result of this video so that you can decide whether you should keep watching this video or not. So on the final checkout page, once we will fill up the entire billing form and then we will be having a payment method that is Paytm and user can make the payment through it. Now before going ahead, let me clear you one thing that there is a difference between the Paytm payment method that you use on your mobile devices and on a WooCommerce based website. On mobile devices, the Paytm payment works by just providing a mobile number to the customer, but this is not the case with a WooCommerce website. To accept the online payments via Paytm payment gateway on your website, you need to sign up with the Paytm business account. So there are just two simple steps to accomplish this task. Number 1, buy and install the Paytm WooCommerce plugin. And number 2, sign up with a free account on Paytm business website. To purchase the plugin, go to wpscratch.com and search for Paytm, all one word. Now this is the plugin that you need to buy in order to make the Paytm payment gateway work smoothly on your website. After successful purchase, you will be able to download this plugin in .zip file format. Now let's go back to our WordPress website and mouse hover on plugins. Then add new, and at the very top we can find the upload plugin button. Just click on it and upload the Paytm plugin that we have bought from the WP Scratch site. Install and activate this plugin. After successfully activating the Paytm WooCommerce payment gateway plugin, simply hover on WooCommerce and then click on Settings. Now click on the Payments tab. Now here we can see a new payment method, Paytm Payments. Just click on Setup button. This is the Paytm Payments Gateway settings page from where we can enter certain details in order to link our Paytm account with the website. Here you need to provide the merchant ID, merchant key, website name, industry type and environment. So let's go ahead and we can jump onto this step 2, that is we need to sign up with a free business account with Paytm. So simply open a website business.paytm.com. So this is the Paytm business page from where we can sign up for a free account. Now here you can find out this button, Get Your Paytm All in One. Just click on it. Now you can find out this create account link, click on it and then provide your mobile number, email ID and create a password. Paytm website will ask you few more details in order to verify your business, like your business registration document, your identification card like Aadhaar card or PAN card, your address proof document, your website URL, few details about your website, your bank details, etc. There are a few things they ask before activating your Paytm business account through which you can accept online payments on your WooCommerce website. I already have a verified Paytm business account, so let me log in into my account. Alright, so this is my Paytm dashboard. Now here we can see developer settings. Just click on this tab and you will be finding this API key section. Click on it. Now here we have two tabs, Test API Details and Production API Details. I'm just going to click on Production API Details. So here I can find out merchant ID, merchant key, website, industry type. Firstly, let's go ahead and we can copy this merchant ID. So I'm just copying it from here and we can go back to our WooCommerce website and I can paste the merchant ID in this box. Now it's time to paste the merchant key. So let's go back to the Paytm developer section again and we can copy the merchant key from here. Again, we can jump onto the WooCommerce settings and we can paste the merchant key in this box. Now we need to find out the website name, industry type. So let's go back to the developer console again. So here we can see website is default and industry type would be retail 109. So let's go back to the WooCommerce and in the website name we can type default and industry type could be retail 109. That's all we have to do. From the environment drop down, you must need to make it production so that all the payments will be directly settled into your bank account. Now let's scroll down. and we just need to click on this Save Changes button. So that's all we have to do. Now one more thing, make sure to enable the Paytm payments. So here we have the checkbox at the very top. Check this box, then scroll down and again click on Save Changes. Now let's go on to the Products tab and we can test this payment gateway. And we just need to click on this Save Changes button. Now we can add this product to cart. Alright, so this is the checkout page and here we can see Paytm payment method has successfully been added. Now let's click on place order and we can test if we are directing onto the Paytm page or not. Here we go. So we can see we have successfully redirected onto the Paytm's payment page from where we can use certain payment method like Paytm or Bheem UPI or net banking. I hope it was easy for you to understand. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, like and leave your comment. Thank you very much.